Hi, I'm Lenka from Lights Camera English. My co-host Abby isn't here, but she'll arrive anytime. And she'll take a tour of my fridge, which is a great opportunity to practice countable and uncountable nouns, and much, and many, and some, and any. So, let's go!
I'm good, I bought pumpkin pie.
Great, just put it in the fridge.
Okay. Your fridge is so empty.
Yep, that's what my kids always complain about. But at least now I know what's in there.
Oh yeah? And what's in here?
Okay, eggs.
Yeah, how many?
8.
No, 5. Close enough.
Okay. A lot of mustard.
Yes.
A bottle of ketchup. Some mayonnaise.
A jar of mayonnaise.
Yeah. Some salad.
Yeah, what kind?
Iceberg lettuce.
Yes.
Carrots.
Yeah.
4. 3 onions. 2 bottles of milk.
Yeah. So what's in this big pot?
Oh, that's Jamie Oliver's ragu.
Yum, it smells amazing.
It is amazing, but it's not for you.
Why?
There's meat in it, sorry.
Oh, okay. What else?
There is a jar of marmalade.
Are you sure it's not jam?
It's marmalade. There's orange in it.
Okay.
Orange and ginger. And there's some ginger in the fridge. And 2 lemons and a lime. And then there's the pumpkin pie.
Yeah, well, actually, not anymore.
So that was it.
Don't forget to like our video.
And subscribe to our channel.
For more great videos.
And if you want to download the transcript,
lesson notes,
or some extra goodies,
then head over to our website.